Mark wants to know, I'm in the live, but I was kicked out of the group with a, let's go. Let's see what Mark was kicked out of the group. Let's go check just because I see a lot of people get mad. I got kicked out of the group. Mark, let me know if this is you, Mark. Was this you, Mark? Just asking for a friend here. Mark Anthony Carasquillo is mad at me. And he says here, I'm in the live, but I was kicked out of the group. Let's go see what Mark was messaging people in the group. Hey, we're in the same Facebook real estate group. Want to reach out to you, see if you wanted to join our real estate mentorship group for as little as $99, where we give you all the tools to be successful as long as mentorship calls so you can learn the ins and outs of wholesaling. Wow, Mark, why did you get kicked out of the group? Let's think about this for a second. Come on, man. Like, Mark, before you know it, like I got live calls so I can spend time with this, but let me be straight up. Your names are matching. The middle name matches. The KYNG matches. So, Mark, let's talk about this for a second, bro. Why did I kick you out of the group? Get back to this later. Let's start calling, guys. Hey, Mark, you got caught in 4K. It's okay. So why we have 8K cameras? Because we got to catch you in 8K. You got caught in 8K, bro. Not good, man.